Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Many of us have to work with colleagues who are located in different time zones, which can lead to complications and confusion when scheduling appointments and collaborating on deadlines. Calzones is a calendar application on iOS that hopes to resolve those issues and is developed by David Smith, the creator of the popular Plus range of iOS apps. It currently costs $5 and I think it's really worth a little bit of a deep dive, so let's take a look. I've downloaded Calzones to my iPad here. Now it is a universal application, it's fully functional on the iPhone as well. I'm going to open it for the first time. I haven't set it up on here yet. The first screen we see is the timeline view, and we have some default time zones pre-configured. So we've got London, New York and Cupertino. The current date is there on the left-hand column, and we can see in Cupertino it hasn't hit midnight yet, so there is a difference in date to the other zones. We have time in the column next to it, and some different colour blocks, and these blocks relate to whether that hour is part of the working day or not. We'll cover that in a sec. I need to authorise access to the calendar, so I'll just tap on that, then OK. And underneath the time zone timelines, my calendar appointments appear. As I scroll across the timeline, the colours of the blocks change. Now, each day will alternate in colour between green and blue. This makes it easy to visually identify when the dates change when you're looking at multiple time zones. Also, when a block is light blue or light green, that means it's a working hour, whereas a darker colour means that it isn't. If you tap on an hour within a time zone, then a new appointment window will appear and the time zone information will automatically be populated with that given time zone. You can then complete the title for the appointment, the location. If you want to change the time zone, then you can tap and any configured time zones within the app will be available for selection. I'll change this to my local one. And if you have multiple calendars, then you can change from the default to a different one.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.